Lordship. On the last occasion, Your Lordships are directed to Chief Engineer to present the report of the case. A simple prayer here, Your Lordship, that they have not constituted the appellate authority where I can. They have not constitute the appellate authority as in terms of clause 24(2) of the GCC, Your Lordship. There is a dispute redressal system in the general condition of contract.
Read the second prayer,
Second prayer.
page number 2. Appellate body is constituted.
Your Lordship, the appellate body was constituted, Your Lordship. That is the empowered standing
What
body.
is the date of constitution? So that the petitioner's grievance against the chief engineer order dated 26/5/2014 is required to be examined.
26. Your Lordship, the chief engineer is here.
On what date the appellate body was constituted?
Sir, actually the body is having 3 members and out of
Constitute हुआ.
the 3
Sir, when the appellate body was constituted? After 10/12/2013, with reference to CWG 8160 of 2011, when did you constitute the appellate body? Whether appellate body is functioning or not?
it has already given its recommendation, sir.
It is still under consideration, 10 years plan.
No, sir, it has already given.
Sir, after 10/12/2013,
Sir,
orders of this court passed in CWJC 8160 of 2011. What is the date of constitution of appellate body?
The order of the appellate authority, Your Lordship, is on record 26/5/14. Order is on record, Your Lordship, 26/5/14. That is at page 40.
This is by empowered standing committee.
That is the appellate
No,
authority.
against this
Against this, Your Lordship, against this, there is no appeal, Your Lordships.
against this, he has a remedy before some other
He has
tribunal.
remedy before the civil court, Your Lordships, at page 226, Your Lordship will see 24.5.
Page number?
Page number, Your Lordship, running page is, I think, 226. On 226 of the affidavit,
Item number?
item number, Your Lordship, 24.5.
24/5.
24.5. There is internal page 143. Your Lordship,
24.1.
24.5, Your Lordships.
5.
Standard bidding document for PMG is filed. The decision of the standing empowered committee will be binding on the employer for payment of claims up to 5% of the initial contract price. The contractor can accept and receive payment after signing as in full and final settlement of all claims. If he does not accept the decision, he is not barred from approaching the court. Similarly, if the employer does not accept the decision of the standing empowered committee above the limit of 5% of the initial contract price, he will be free to approach the courts applicable under the law. Because next 25.1, your lordship says there is no arbitration.
Come after 24-2, your lordship, after appeal.
Huh?
This will come after appeal. Appeal, there is no
Correct.
appellate tribunal.
No, sir, this is a standing empowered committee.
Your lordship.
After their
Clause-
decision, you have a civil court.
Your lordship, come to may I have a look on 24-1.
24?
First, 24, clause 24-1, dispute redressal system. In the middle, your lordship, it described along with the, I'm reading from the beginning, if any dispute or differences of any kind whatsoever shall arises in connection with or arising out of this contract or the execution of works or maintenance of the works thereunder, whether before its commencement or during the progress of works or after the termination, abandonment or breach of contract, it shall in the first instance be referred for the settlement to the competent authority described along with their powers in the contract data above the rank of the engineer. The competent authority shall within a period of 45 days after being requested in writing by the contractor to do so. This is the first place where I can move, and thereafter after grievance of the party will reach before the appellate tribunal, which is 24-2, and then comes 24-5.
Against which order you have approached the empowered committee?
I have approached after CWJC 8165. I was directed to represent before the competent authority, chief engineer, which I have filed. And they have passed the order as empowered standing committee.
Engineer is the competent authority.
Chief engineer is the competent authority, and if he was not the competent authority, he will refer the matter to the competent authority.
That stage is already over. Now you have a remedy before only civil court.
No, your lordship, 24-2.
24-2, yes.
24-2 come to either party will have the right of appeal against the decision of the competent authority. I have after
You have already approached, no, against the chief engineer order before the standing committee.
I have come to an
Sir, how did you approach?
after
How
the
did you approach an empowered standing committee?
I have not approached before the empowered standing committee.
Then who
They have passed the empowered. They have constituted the empowered standing committee and passed the order.
The absence of appeal, how empowered standing committee proceeded to pass order?
They passed an order, your lordships, on 31/1/14. I'll just
Where is that?
I'll read it.
Come
It's
to-
not,
come
it's
to-
not on editorial record.
Contract
It's not on
data.
record, your lordships. I've just asked for it, they've given it. Your lordships, it says kindly refer to the above noted correspondence on the subject by which the standing empowered committee has been constituted in compliance of judgment of the Patna High Court dated 10/12/13 in CWJC number 8160 of 2011. Following records are enclosed herewith to go ahead with the adjudication of the claims made by the petitioner contractor. Your lordships,
No, where is the power of a standing committee to consider this? Standing committee is empowered only to
it's the appellate
decide appeal.
appellate body. Yes, it's the appellate body.
Appeal is against which order?
But your lordships, what they have said was, what their lordships have said in the writ petition was, if he is not the chief engineer is not the competent authority, he will send it to the competent authority. Now, in
first-
that view of the matter, the then chief engineer, he sent it to the appellate authority. That is what
Directly refer to the.
directly referred. So there is actually, your lordships, I will admit there is loss of one forum.
Huh?
That loss of one forum has.
So we will set aside and remand.
And he will decide within a fixed time. You are the competent authority, na?
No, sir. it is-
Now, where is the definition insofar as competent authority?
At page 158 of the contract data, your lordship.
Who is the competent authority?
There it is mentioned competent authority are all the disputes are to be referred to the standing empowered committee
Competent authority?
or the standing committee.
That is the
is the confusion.
dichotomy because of which the chief engineer sent it to the standing empowered committee.
But this standing empower committee is not directly entitled to consider unless only appeal is
The provisions appear to be in conflict. Because there it says that the standing empowered committee will be the competent authority, and in 24(2) it says it will be the appellate authority. That is the conflict, your lordships, because of which the chief engineer, being overcautious, sent it to the empowered committee.
It was
But you have
earlier,
to go by clause 24,
Your lordship,
24 and to complete 24.
Your lordships, but because of the other provision which says that the standing empowered committee is the competent authority,
Where is that? That the standing empowered committee is competent?
is one.
page 158, your lordships may see. इसी का ना my paging is a little पढ़िए इसी का है
What is this document?
General condition of
This
contract.
is the general conditions of contract.
But they, within bracket they refer to 24.1. How is it possible?
That is the your lordship's dichotomy, which your lordships may address and demand and pass order.
2011.
Clarify that
2011.
because in other cases also the same confusion may arise, your lordships. So if your lordships were to clarify that. At page 158, your lordships may see clause 15. Competent authorities are, all disputes are to be referred to standing empowered committee.
Coming to this,
ऐसे करेगा इसके लिए then you will come and say Your lordships may also notice the monetary amount given. Standing empowered committee will be appellate authority if it is above 1 lakhs,
That is the
which in this case is. And 15 at page 158 does not give any monetary.
this is second round or third round?
second round. Your
Third
lordships.
round.
Earlier it was decided, directed to
There
file
was
presentation.
also a contempt which has been disposed of against this.
Earlier litigation 2010.
Earlier, once earlier were disposed of, that it is a premature. So on that ground it was. But on 2011,
Once again you approach.
come and
That's the reason I'm asking you third round litigation.
third round.
And one contempt.
Because in the instant petition petitioner has paid for the following. Petition is before this court on third occasion. The instant petition petitioner has paid for the following relief. The petitioner's disputed issue is required to be adjudicated by the competent authority in terms of clause 24 of SBD for PMGSY, whereas the appellate authority dash standing empowered committee decided the petitioner's dispute. The standard empowered committee is only an appellate authority in terms of standard bidding SBD for PMGSY. On the other hand, under the contract data, general conditions of contract, clause 15,
Lordships, 15A,
15,
15.
15
That is,
A relates to competent authorities defined as a standing empowered committee. Within bracket clause 24.1 was referred. Reading of clause 24.1, 24, read with 15, is contradictory in identifying the competent authority and appellate authority. In other words, competent authority has not been defined. Other than saying that all the disputes are to be referred to standing empowered committee. Even though appeal is provided for the standard empowered committee, under 24.2, it is necessary to introduce clause 24 is on page 225 and 226, and clause 15 page 241. Reading of the aforementioned provision, it is evident that identification of competent authority and appellate authority are overlapping. In other words, the petitioner dispute has been decided by the standard empowered committee, whereby the petitioner has been denied appeal under 24.2. Therefore, the chief engineer is hereby directed to decide the petitioner's dispute initially after giving the ample opportunity of hearing. Thereafter proceed to pass order whether the petitioner is entitled to any relief before the chief engineer or not. In this regard, a detailed speaking order shall be passed communicated to the petitioner, since in the event of any adverse order is passed against the petitioner has the remedy of appeal before the standing empowered committee under clause 24.2. The above exercise shall be completed by the chief engineer within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of application / request of the petitioner claiming certain relief. The petitioner is at liberty to file additional claim, if any, in a period of 3 weeks from today. Additional claim, if any, on behalf of the petitioner, the chief engineer is hereby directed to take note of mention material information and proceed to pass order. Sorry, yeah. Oh. Order of the empowered committee stands set aside. Since without the power of the without the contrary to clause 24 read with the clause 15 of the